Broken control arm, no problem. Feeling a little lazy today, so I'm going to sit down for this repair. Like most repairs, start by taking the wheel off. We'll flip this bad boy over. That would be your control arm, and if you did break it, it's really simple to replace. I am going to be even lazier today. I am going to simply point out to you what you need to take off, and it'll help if I grab the right screw driver or Allen key. There it is. We simply take this Allen, take that screw pin out, it's really not that scary. Pop that pin out, releasing the steering knuckle. We then take off this screw here for the shock, releasing the shock. And then we take this pin out of here. There's a couple of E-clips, and you got that front tie bar plate there that you just got to get back in place when you reassemble. But it's just a matter of really popping those E-clips, pulling that pin right out the back, and you slide your new one in and reassemble. So don't be scared. These are very, very simple to do. Now, if by chance you did break your steering block, which is this other piece right here, there's one screw up top for the top link, which is probably out of view. Okay, that should work for you guys. We take the top link out. There's a nut on the other side, which is going to definitely slow me down considering I did not bring that tool in here with me. We simply use that included 4-way that should have been in your kit. Take that out of there. Leave that screw hang right there without any issue. Take this other screw pin out, which is your king pin, and your steering block comes off. Now, with the steering blocks, you have to keep in mind that there is a right and a left side. So when you do put the new one on, make sure you're putting the correct correct side back in place. That's really all there is to it. In a previous video, I showed you how to replace your carrier if you've broken a carrier. The front, you can see, is very similar to the rear carrier. It's just smaller and happens to fit inside sideways into the steering block, but pretty much the same replacement. Pop your hex off, pop the pin, take the stub out. Do what you gotta do. Now for reassembly. Hopefully I can do this from over here. We just get those holes lined up, shove it on in. Grab the old trusty Allen again. Tighten that back up. Grab the screw, don't send the screw sliding all over your table. Shove that right back in there, hoping that we're still in view of the camera. Should be. Tighten that back down. Now it's just a matter of the upper link, and I have the nut inside my four-way yet. So we run the screw through the plastic. Right on into the nut that's still in the four-way. Hopefully. That'll tighten. And we turn around and tighten the nut. Now that that's done, replace our wheel. Holding the nut and not throwing it all over the table. There you go. That's your how-to on your front control arm and your front steering blocks. Thanks for watching.